Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with fortune.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fortune.com and press enter. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now within the sign in page, you will find an option to create a new account. Click on the create one option and now you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Just go ahead and type in your desired email address followed by your desired password. Then just agree with the terms and conditions and click on create account. And once you do this, you will automatically be logged in. Now from the My Account section, click on Fortune Daily and now you will be able to use the Fortune platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on fortune.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.